Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to make a right-click context menu to move files and folders to a specific folder. So let's say you have a folder that you're always moving files into, from your desktop or wherever. We're going to show you how to make an option to right-click and just move it right to that folder instead of having to cut, open the folder, and then paste it in there to move it or drag and drop it. All right, so we're going to be doing a simple registry edit for this. So we have one file to move it and then one file to undo it if you want to remove the option. All right, so here's what each one does. All right, so you're going to need to change a few things. All right, so this name here is just the name for the key, so you can name this whatever you want. You can have it based on the name of the folder you're using to move into. And here is the text that will be displayed on the right-click context menu. So you want to have the say move to and then the folder name, most likely. All right, and then here you will need to change the path to the folder you are moving the files and folders to. Just make sure you have the double slash there. So I'm going into the E drive in this folder here. You see that reflects right here. So change this to whatever you like, and then change this to whatever you like. Okay, so I'm going to begin by double-clicking the Move to registry file. Say yes to the UAC prompt, so you'll need to be an administrator to do this. This is just telling us it's taking the contents of this file and adding it to the registry, so click on yes, and then OK. All right, so you may need to restart the computer or restart Explorer if it doesn't work right away. So to restart Windows Explorer, I would close File Explorer first, right-click on the taskbar, Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, usually near the bottom, right-click on it, and restart. Then your taskbar will disappear and come back, and then you know it's done. All right, so now if we right-click on a file, and of course, we have to go to Show More Options for Windows 11. I tried to figure out how to put it in the first menu, but nothing seemed to work, so we're kind of stuck on the secondary menu. But of course, you could hold down Shift to bypass that first menu, or you could use one of the many tweaks to revert back to the classic right-click context menu from Windows 10. All right, so you can see now we have moved to important files. So let's open up important files here first. All right, so we're going to Shift right-click, move to important files. You'll see a little PowerShell box, and now it's there. And if we want to do multiple files, so obviously the more files you do, the longer it's going to take. And then we could do a folder as well. So it moves the folder and all the subfolders and files within it. All right, so now let's say we want to remove it. So here's the remove to registry file. So we'll just double click this, go through the same process. All right, now let's see if the option is gone without restarting here. All right, so now you can see the move to important files is now gone from the menu. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download these two files here. And like I said, just edit this. So this is the display name on the right-click menu. This could match it if you want. Obviously no spaces when you're putting this key name here. You could have spaces here, and you could have spaces here if your folder path has spaces, obviously. So obviously you want to match the exact folder path, and don't forget the double slashes like that as well. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.